Mike, I heard the strangest statistic the other day.
What was that, Lampros? What was that, mate?
The statistic was that in 2014, I know it's a while ago now, but 2014, apparently Deloitte hired more software developers than it did accountants.
I heard that. It is actually, I think it's actually true.
Oh, mate, you're kidding.
I think there's a big craze going on. They want to automate the world. That's it. I've been telling you, the Terminator's going to happen. Judgment Day's coming. Basically, the one... Yeah,
Mate, have you got one of those chips in your arm yet?
Well, I don't know. I did fall asleep once, and then when I woke up somewhere, and I had a bit of sore arms, but I don't know where. I might have one. But yeah, they're automating the world.
Fair enough. Yeah. That's crazy. Mate, what do you think is happening with this whole software development thing? Like, why do you think everyone's jumping on the bandwagon?
Oh, look, it's a love affair. It's a romance. Look, Silicon Valley's obviously set up the entrepreneurs at the moment. I think there's also, everyone wants to code because they think they can make a lot of money and they can build their businesses, these new businesses online, and make these millions and then retire quickly. A lot of people wanted to complement their skill sets, I'm finding. They actually want to do coding to help them do something with their, might be a psychologist or some other sort of business they run. They want to have coding to complement what they want to do in the future, which I find is fantastic. That thinking's great. But going in and thinking you're just going to, code and then, change your, become a massive, awesome business, it's a bit harder than that. You're going to have to do a lot more harder work.
It is a long journey, isn't it?
Yeah, well, you got to have
been
business
here for 15
skills.
years.
I know, but you've got to have some business skills, first of all, and combine that with the IT.
Do you reckon you need the IT experience though? I mean, a lot of people have these awesome ideas. Do you think you need the IT experience, or do you reckon perhaps you can, if you have a network of the right people, perhaps you can manage?
I reckon if you had a really good friends or mates and they're good at development, get them to do that. And if you're good at marketing and selling, you go and do that. If you have that opportunity. But knowing IT and knowing the concepts of IT will help, but you don't have to code, I don't think. But it does help. Yeah, it does help to understand it. But the volume of people going in is interesting. It's very interesting. But also, I like to talk to them to see why they're going in.
Yeah.
And some of them, just as I said, want to complement their skill set. They come from another industry and they want to go and do that. I know for myself, when I first left high school, I did marketing advertising when I left, and I did that. Then I did IT. And combining those skill sets together really helped me a lot to this day. Like, I'll be a different person if I didn't do that. And I loved it. I'm happy I did it that way.
Yeah.
That's great.
No, mate, I love the field. Anyway, let's call it a day, mate. This Monday's been way too long.
Oh, it's tiring, isn't it?
Let's call it a day. And if you've got any questions, as always, leave them below and we'll get back to you. Cheers.
See you guys.